I am just starting here, you guys. I have some delicious dark melting chocolate here, and I melted that chocolate all up. Now you can tell that I'm just coming through and I'm making just these little small chocolate discs. So we have like these little chocolate chips. Now you can use any type of melting chocolate that you want, and as many as you use, you choose. So as much chocolate, I'm using 10 ounces of melted chocolate, but you use whatever you choose for as much of these chocolate chips that you want to make as soon as you see what we're doing with those. Okay, those look super, super tasty. Now here I have a little bit of coarse sea salt, you guys, because who doesn't love a little bit of coarse sea salt with your dark chocolate? So we're gonna sprinkle this coarse sea salt right on top of the chocolate. Once again, this is totally up to you guys. If you wanna use it, awesome. If you don't have to, but you are going to absolutely love what we have today. I just got home from the gym. I am making a guilt-free summer appetizer snack. You guys are gonna love this. I'm gonna pop these in the fridge because I want them to harden up really quickly, but stick around because the best part is still to come, and I think you are really gonna enjoy this one. Our chips are cooling down in the fridge, and while they're almost done, we're gonna grab some mango. We're gonna throw it right here into our dish. Mango is in season, you guys, and it is so good. Creamy, buttery, juicy. Let's get all of that mango out. Now let's grab some fresh strawberry. Look at how juicy and red those strawberries look. This is going to be amazing, full of sweet flavor, and like I said, pretty guilt-free here, you guys. We are kicking summer off right. I have some kiwi here that I diced up. Do you like kiwi? I don't know. Tell me your thoughts about kiwi. I think it's a great addition. Now, of course, all of this is versatile. You guys can change this up. I'm throwing in some pineapple. I don't know. Are you gonna throw in some pineapple? Do you see your favorite fruit in here yet or not? What are you using? Tell me all about it in the comments, you guys. I couldn't leave out some blueberries, so I'm gonna throw those in there as well. Look at all that color. Those look so beautiful. Now check this out. I have some fresh mint leaves here that I got out of my cute, look at that cute little, can we just take a moment here for this cute little mint plant, please? You guys, always buy your herbs like this. They last longer. You can stick it in water and then it grows, and not to mention it smells amazing. Okay, so this is what we're gonna do. We're gonna take some of those leaves off, and I'm just gonna use my shears here, and I'm just gonna lightly do some mint. Now you might say, oh, I don't like mint. Mint's not my thing. I don't know, fresh mint just hits different, and I think that it goes so well with the fresh and juicy flavors of fruit and of summer. So, you know, it's up to you, but I think that just a little bit of mint is definitely a great addition to this juicy, sweet, fun, filled summer appetizer right here. And the kitchen shears, let me tell you what, that is the way to go. The way. Easy peasy right here. There we go. Bam. Looks beautiful. Carefully, we'll start to mix together all of that fruit, all of those beautiful colors, and that fresh mint with the strawberries and the mango. Look at that. Ooh, the blueberries really bring it all together. Like I said, am I missing any fruit in here, you guys? What else are you going to choose? Oh, I could probably even put some more blueberries. I don't know. There was so much to choose from. I didn't know what to do, but I felt like I picked a couple of my favorites. So that is what we're rolling with here. Look at how fresh and amazing that looks. Oh, I love it so much. This looks wonderful. I'm gonna check in the fridge and see if our chocolate chips are all good. So stay right there. I'm coming right back. We have got our chocolate little discs. Look at how those all smoothed out, you guys. Now, as they cool down, they're gonna smooth out. Look at that pretty little dark chocolate chip. Now, we're gonna stick these right around the edges here of our fruit. Oh, the darkness of the chocolate is just making that vibrancy of that colorful fruit just really, really pop out. That looks so beautiful. I'm in love right here. Oh, that mango looks so good, and I think we made just the right amount. I'm gonna stick these guys in here on the sides. Yeah, perfect. Okay, now I'm bringing back in my cute little mint plant here, and I'm gonna pick off the most beautiful top. I'm gonna say it's probably this one right here. So I'm gonna snip that right off. Oops, it fell right in there, no worries. We're gonna pick that up. We're gonna flour it out. Look at how beautiful that is. We are gonna stick it right there in the center of that. Oh my gosh. So beautiful. Ah, I love it. So now it's the moment we've been waiting for. This is my little alternative on chips and dip. We're gonna get our chocolate little chip here loaded with some fruit. Look at that. I'm gonna take a big walking bite. Wow. Oh my gosh. The little bit of mint in there. So, so good, you guys. And let me tell you what, if you chop this fruit up in the day, you're gonna take this later in the evening. All of that fruit is just gonna marinate together. It's just gonna get better. And wow, I love the combination of the fruit, the dark chocolate with a little bit of sea salt and the mint, you guys. This is a home run. I love this idea. It'd be great for any get together. Great to have you guys. What do you think of this dish? Tell me all about it. What are you adding in, taking out? You know I want to know all the scoop, right? All right, you guys. I hope you enjoy this recipe. Let me know if there's anything you do different, and we'll see you later. Enjoy.